back to my channel. So today I will be doing my Halloween home tour. Basically everything that I showed you guys in my last haul, I'm just going to be sharing with you where I put everything and how I decorated with it all. Now there's also a few items that I did not mention in my last video, but I'll be sure to let you guys know where all of that is from. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I decorated my house this year, then just keep on watching. So I'm just going to start out with my front door, and the first thing you see is this black and white Hocus Pocus doormat. I got this from At Home last year, and I believe I only paid $5 for it. I thought that was a really good deal for how nice it is. It's really pretty. And I also seen this out again this year, so this might be one of those items that they put out every year, so in case any of you guys are interested and would like to get one for yourself. So next is my entryway. Now this is the first thing you see once you actually walk into my house. The door is behind me. I just put up a few signs and my witch hats. So here I have my Hocus Pocus sign, my 3 hanging witch hats, the welcome sign, the trick or treat moon, and the something wicked this way comes. I just thought all of this looked really good together, and I really love how the witch hats turned out. I thought those looked really cool there, and the welcome sign just sits perfectly. Now I did want to do something here and here, but I didn't get to that, but it's okay. I think it still looks really cute. And all of this I mentioned in my recent haul, so if you guys are interested or want to know where any of this is from, I'll be sure to link that video down below so you guys can go check that out. Next is my dining room. Now I pretty much got to do what I wanted in here. I really love everything minus the paint color on the wall. That came with the house and we haven't changed it yet. But yeah, so I just put those paper bats on the wall, and then I just have this fabric up on the mirror, and I got that from Walmart. And I'm just going to show you guys an overview of my dining table. I'm actually bending down so you guys won't see me in the mirror. So I'm just going to start out with my table setting, and each chair has the same thing. These placemats are from Target. The black square plates are from World Market. The white square plates are from Target. And the spiderweb plates, I got some of them at Home Goods and some of them at Bath & Body Works. Now I know that's random. It was random when I seen them there, but yes, and I'm really glad I found those because I needed a few more to complete my set. I'm just gonna lift this up so you guys can see how beautiful they are. They're really nice. And then of course these ceramic pumpkins, you guys seen those in my last haul. And then in the middle, I just have this black spiderweb table runner, and I got that from Target last year. And then I have these black skeleton hand candle holders. I have one on each end, and those are from Target also. And then the black and white striped LED candles are from Michaels. And then the 2 cloches are from Target. I got those last year. And then the Halloween sign is from Hobby Lobby. Oh, and I can't forget about our friend over here, Mr. Freddy Bones. We got him from Target last year, and they actually put like the same skeleton out every year, so I'm pretty sure you could get him still. I love him. And then over here behind my dining table, on the bottom, I just put this table runner that you guys seen in my last haul. This black plastic cauldron is from Hobby Lobby, and then I just put some spiderweb in there so it could look like it was smoking. And then I just have my Happy Halloween sign and these black metal skeleton hands. I got those from Home Goods. And then over here is that candelabra I showed you guys in my last haul. Also this succulent. Those 2 I spray painted, and I just thought those came out really nice and they look so much better. And then the candlesticks are from Dollar Tree, and this black succulent, it's actually ceramic, and that one is from At Home. And I just left like an empty space, so for anything I needed to serve or sit out here, I would have space for that. And yeah, that is my dining room. I really love how it turned out. I think it looks really cute. So next is my living room, and I just want to throw this out there really quick. Let it focus because of sunlight. This is not my choice of wall color. This came with the house. Now it's not ugly, but it's just not my preference. But yeah, I just want to throw that out there really quick so you guys don't think I picked this wall color. I'm more of a neutral kind of gal, but we just haven't got to this room and our dining room yet. So I'm just gonna start out with one of my end tables. Now here I just have this little witch hat. I got that from Hobby Lobby. and then I just have a picture, and then I have this ceramic pumpkin and the succulent. Now those were items that I spray painted, and I just think they look so much better. They look really nice now. They look so much more expensive. And then I just have this creepy fabric that I got from Walmart, and I have this sitting on each of my tables in here. And then over here, I just have this pillow that I got from At Home. It just says, "You're saying I'm a witch like it's a bad thing." And next is my coffee table. I just have this creepy fabric again that I got from Walmart. My spiderweb coasters, those books that I showed you guys in my last haul. All of this you guys seen in my recent haul. And then this black succulent. This is from At Home. And yeah, I just think that looks really cute together. Not too much going on, but just enough. And then on my TV stand, I just have this bride and groom skeleton set, and I got that from CVS. I know that's like random, but sometimes you just find the best things in the randomest places. They're really, really nice. I'm gonna get a close-up of them so you can see them really good. The detail is amazing, and they're just so beautiful. The other one, really, really nice. I love those. Next is my other end table. I just put this vase that I got from Dollar Tree with these roses that I got from Dollar Tree, and then my little spiderweb basket with some candy, and then this little skull head that I got from Target. Just a little touch. And then on this couch, I just have a black throw blanket, my 2 black pillows, and then this black and white creepy pillow that I got from Home Goods. And last but definitely not least is my mantle. So I'm just gonna start down here. I just put that bird cage, my crow, and the pumpkin holder. And then this was actually that orange pumpkin that I showed you guys in my recent haul that I spray painted black. And I think it looks so much better. I really like how that looks. And then on this side, I just have my lanterns that I also showed you guys in my recent haul. I ended up leaving these inside because I just thought they were too nice to put outside. I was just afraid something would happen to them. And yeah, I just filled one with pumpkins and one with candles, and I think those look really cute. And next is my mantle. I'm just going to let you guys get an overview of it, and then of course I will be giving a close-up and showing you guys where everything is from. Now these branchy, creepy looking trees are from Michael's, and I just have one on each end. This gray pumpkin is from Target, and I just put some roses here, and I did that throughout the whole mantle. And then these are actually those coffins that I showed you guys in my recent haul, and I just spray painted them black, and I think they look so much better. I used one to give some height to that pumpkin, and then I just put one in the front. And this candle is from Home Goods. It's actually an LED candle, and it lights up. And then these 2 black candlesticks are from Target, and then the candles that I have on each of them are from Home Goods. This little globe is from Dollar Tree. And then of course up there I have my Happy Halloween banner with my Headless Horseman. And then this black glitter pumpkin is from Target. This stack of books is from Michael's. Now they're not real books, they're actually just a ceramic decor piece, but they look like books. And then this vase is from At Home, and it actually came in a set of 3, but I just took one out to put the filler in, and then I just draped some creepy cloth. So yeah, everything else that I didn't mention, I purposely did that because I mentioned all of that in my recent haul. And again, that will be linked down below, so in case you guys are wondering where anything else is from. I planned on doing more rooms, but I figured I'd just show you guys what I did get to do. Hopefully next year everything will be a lot better, but for now this is what I have. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next one.